Hi, I have been a patient of chiropractic for over 50 years, and I can tell you, without question, Elliot Quinn is fabulous. I have come to him so many times with aches and pains, and if it's a problem with my upper back or my lower back, he takes care of it. The other thing that's so terrific about him is that if you complain about just something up here, he goes over everything. He makes sure that he tunes up every single one of your joints from head to toe. My life was so much better and so much pain-free than it was before I began seeing Elliot here at just for the help of it.